I could have got a PPO and even my manager wanted me to have me on board, but I have never been in another city besides Delhi. It was the first time I moved to Bangalore. All other departments in the business incur expenses, while sales is the only department that generates revenue for the business. Advice to my juniors or people who are coming in for the PGDM program would be: my name is Khushi and I am currently pursuing PGDM from Soil Institute of Management. I have done BCom Honours from University of Delhi. So internships are very crucial for any program that we do. I have done my internship at Schneider Electric, where I was in the governance department that basically creates rules and regulations for the entire company. So my particular role was to simplify the product portfolio of Schneider. Since there is a whole long process that goes behind simplifying the product portfolio, I joined in for 2 months and I was involved in a part of doing it. So we had a chance to speak with a lot of stakeholders on the country level and even on the international level. So I hosted meetings which had spokes from 60 different countries. It gave me a lot of exposure and chance to build connection. Being a marketing major, the job description mentioned roles and responsibilities of both the fields, analytics as well as marketing. So when I was going through the job description, I took help of my faculty, my internal mentors, and asked them to explain the job description to me. Then after, when I was in the interview, I asked the manager that what is the role about, how is it aligned with marketing, how is it aligned with analytics, and then I decided if I want to go with it. My interview happened well and I was fortunate enough to get an opportunity in the company. I am a fresher and the culture at Schneider was very good. People were very helpful. I have never been in another city besides Delhi, so it was the first time I moved to Bangalore. My manager made me feel really comfortable. At the areas where I was feeling stuck, I asked for help and my manager was very generous to help me out with things, even if it's the smallest thing, even if I am working or anything else. I could have got a PPO and even my manager wanted me to have me on board, but the company requirement was not such and they do not have any vacancy in that department, because that was a central department in which the headcount is very limited. So because of which they couldn't have me on board at that moment. When I came back, a lot of students got PPOs. It was a lot of pressure, but then companies start coming in for final placements and I sat for 2 to 3 companies and then I was shortlisted for an interview with Kohler and I made through the interviews. Being a marketing major, I thought the JD aligned with my majors and also I wanted to explore a side of sales. That is why I applied for that role. People are afraid of sales, but I think the mock interviews that were taking place in college, I got a chance to interact with a lot of teachers because of those interviews. Teachers explained me that there's nothing to be afraid of. Sales is what I believe is the backbone of any business. All other departments in the business incur expenses, while sales is the only department that generates revenue for the business. So in sales, you get a lot of skills that you can apply in any industry and any role that you go. Therefore, I thought doing sales is no harm and I can definitely switch in future. Also, Kohler allows its employees to switch its role every 3 years because company also wants the employees to be all-rounders so that they can perform all the tasks. Kohler was founded way back in 18s and it's known for its premium handcrafted products, basically more of kitchen and bathroom faucets and fittings. In a very competitive market, they have positioned their products really well. So when I go in Kohler, I want to know how have they gained that market share in India, being such a price sensitive market. Multiple things have helped me to be where I am right now, starting from internships. Internship was a great learning experience. It was a lot of hands-on on Excel and networking. Then CDS classes helped a lot. We had a lot of group discussions and practice rounds. Mock PIs helped because when you get one-on-one feedback from your teacher, it helps you to introspect and then change yourself. Also, the company mentor I had in my internship as well as the internal faculty mentor, both were there with me throughout my journey. Even if you are stuck anywhere, you can simply ask for help and people are there to help you. Advice to my juniors or people who are coming in for the PGDM program would be: first is that consistency is the key. Be consistent in your classes. Ensure that you have all your concepts on your tips because that will come handy when you go for internship as well as final placements, because a part of the interviews is the technical round wherein they test your basic knowledge about the industry and the field. Next, I would say attend your CDS classes frequently. People tend to miss a lot of classes, but I think CDS actually helped me to improve my communication and also it helped me to gain confidence when I'm in a group discussion. Also, we had aptitude classes which helped me to crack different concepts concepts from quants, LR, communication, etc. So I think all these points can come handy when you are going for a PGDM program.